I got this request from a friend how to use Auto-Tune Evo like a pro, alright, and I think I have to put this video on this channel so that anybody looking for how to use Auto-Tune Evo like a pro can get access to this. Alright, so in today's video I'm gonna walk you through how to use Auto-Tune Evo. Let's do this right after the intro. The name is Gosa once again, and still the solution carrier, providing solutions to your problems. Hit that subscribe button if you are new to this channel, turn on the notification bell, like the video, let me know where you are watching me from. Let's do this. Alright guys, so we are in FL Studio now. First thing first, we're gonna route our beat to mixer track 1, then our vocals to mixer track 2. If you don't know how to record a full track in FL Studio, then watch the video that will pop up on the screen. That's super simple. I'm gonna walk you through everything that you have to know. If you don't know the key for that particular beat or vocals, using Auto-Tune will be difficult for you. Alright, all you need to do is to train your ears, then go for the right auto key detectors so that you can speed up your production. So in this video I'm gonna use the auto key from Antares to detect the key for this particular unknown beat. Alright, so what you're gonna do is to select the track that contains the beat, the track that you have routed the beat to. Then next thing is to introduce the auto key from Antares, and this gonna wait for you to play the beat and tell you the right key, detect the key for you. So let's play the beat. I'm gonna solo the beat. Listen. As you can see, listening, and it's gonna detect the key for us. So you can see D major or B minor. Alright, that's the key that auto key is given to us. So now that you know this key, let's detach this so that this will be on the screen. Next thing you have to do is to go to the audio track, then introduce your Auto-Tune. So as we said, we're gonna use Auto-Tune Evo, which is old version of Auto-Tune from Antares. Alright, if you don't have money to invest into the latest version, you can still be using these old Auto-Tunes. They are also great. Alright, so now auto key gave us two keys, D major. So we're gonna try the first one, D major. Push the routine speed to about 10, then give it humanize a little bit. Then guys, the input type, if it's a female, you have to select soprano. If it's male, play around the auto tenor or the low male. I'll go for the low male. What I'm gonna do is to create a reverb channel. Right click on this, give it a color. Alright, accept. Then we're gonna send this one to this reverb channel, and over here let's introduce the Valhalla vintage reverb. As usual, I'm gonna cut off some of the low ends. Then we're gonna control the amount like this.
Girlie, how come me? She know they leave me. She take it this way they beat me. Girlie, give me love when I don't need. Girlie, give you more than is ever. The girl did this poly man, but she get it. Girlie.
So you can hear that this key is not sounding great. So we're gonna change it to B minor. Alright, B minor. Try the B minor. Listen to that.
Girlie, how come me? She know they leave me. She take it this way they beat me. Girlie, give me love when I don't need. Girlie, give you more than is ever. The girl did this poly man, but she get it. Girlie, how come me? She know they leave me.
So if you try this and you are still not getting the right key, if you don't have this auto key too, you can use virtual DJ. And what you can do is to just drag that particular beat onto virtual DJ like this, and virtual DJ too gonna detect the key for you. As you can see, D minor. So virtual DJ gave us D minor. Now let's try that, and I will explain those parameters here so that you will be able to use Auto-Tune like a pro.
Girlie handcuff me, she know they leave me. Yeah, she take it things where they beat me. Girlie give me love when I no need. Girlie give you more than is ever. The girl need is polyman, but she careless. Girlie.
So now you can hear that this key from Virtual DJ sound great compared to those from the Auto Key 2. Alright, so you can play around these two key detectors and select the right key. Now, how do you use Auto-Tune Evo like a pro? First thing first, the first knob that you have to familiarize yourself with is the routine speed. So the routine speed is how much you want to pitch your vocals. I mean, how much you want to feel that T-pain effect on your vocals. All right, the more you crank it all the way up, the more auto-tune you're gonna feel, and the less auto-tune you're gonna feel when you crank it down. All right, so first knob that you have to pay attention to anytime you are using auto-tune is the routine speed. All right, so if you want to get that natural vibe, then you have to crank it to about 20 or 30. All right, if you want to get that natural vocals, play around 20 to 30 routine speed. Then the next knob is the humanize knob. Anytime we auto-tune our vocals, I mean anytime we crank the routine speed all the way up, we sound like robots, and we want to add realism to our vocals, so we use the humanize knob to add that realistic vibe to our vocals so that we will sound like human beings, not robots. All right, then if you want to add natural vibrator, you can actually play with this knob here. And with Auto-Tune Evo, when you are mixing rap or hip-hop and you want to get that full T-pain effect, all you need to do is to put all these things all the way down, and you're gonna achieve that T-pain effect. All right, that's super simple. All right, I have a full video that I take you through how to create unique vocals using auto-tunes. So watch the next video that will pop up on the screen. If this video helps you, give it a like. Let me know where you are watching me from. Until then, see you in the next video. Stay blessed.